What's going on, guys? Welcome back to OSR Garage. I'm over here at Brownie's Muffler getting my exhaust put on for my car. I'll show y'all if I can get it done today, depending on the price. If not, I'll wait till next Thursday or whenever I get another $20 or come back and get $20 because I got to get gas. First stalled out my car, but there she goes. I'm going up on a lift. Cool. Yeah, man, so like I said, we over at Brownie's Mufflers getting the exhaust work done on the E36 Vibrant Street Power Performance. The inlet is a 2.5 single in dual out, 2.5 sharp tips, single flow. Kind of curious to see what it sounds like. Hopefully it gives it that deep backfire that I've been popping flames with my car on stock exhaust. So I can't imagine what I'm gonna be doing with the Vibrant Performance exhaust. You know, right? I didn't even think I was popping flames on stock exhaust, but I got my car's running super rich. So I guess that's probably why for 120,000 miles it's still running super rich. Like blue flames, like little blue exhaust is going out the back, so it paused at 3,500. So it's a real. I'll show you a little exhaust clip whenever we get done with it. But for now, I'm gonna show you a little cinematic of what they're doing and see how the finishing product comes out. They're just now finishing up the exhaust. It looks pretty fucking great. Like, I love the way it turned out. It's not too aggressive. It's pretty subtle. For future references, if y'all ever need your exhaust work done, if you live in Modesto, California, Northern California, Sacramento, well, not Sacramento because that's kind of far of a drive, but like Modesto, Turlock, Siri, anywhere in the Modesto, NorCal area, come to Brownie's Mufflers. They got you for the low. I pay like $70 to get my exhaust done, and they're doing a perfect job. Like, welds are all good, everything's all good. Nothing really leaks at all, but yeah, check them out. Brownie's Mufflers. I'll put a link in the description. If you live in NorCal, hit them up. Get the best deals ever. Alright, so exhaust is done. About to do a first startup, see how it sounds, check for leaks and everything, and then we'll give a couple of revs, baby revs. I should have done a before and after exhaust video, but I didn't think about it, so. All the way to the left and up. sorry I didn't do a proper outro for that video with the exhaust. I got a little carried away and busy, and then I had to go run to work. So, anyways, like I said, if you need any work done on your car, shut the fuck up, bird. If you need any work done on your car, hit up Brownie's Muffler. Link is in the description to the address. And yeah, hit them up. They'll tell you to bring your car in, and whatever you bring, you can pay them. Normally it's like, I know if it's a muffler, it'll be super cheap just to weld a muffler on. If it's like from, let's say if it's from the midsection back, it'll probably be more, but they'll be reasonable. But other than that, yeah, link is in the description to their website, to their address, and where they do their work at. I'm Leo, this is Team OSR Garage, and I'll see y'all later.